On charge. All right, so my last problem here, and I'm doing this one because you have it in standard form. So find the 3/3 roots of 4 root 3 minus 4i. So remember, that's a complex number there. So we need to figure out, once again, your r and your theta. All right, so using this one, I'm going to have r equals the square root of 4 root 3 squared plus, what is my b? Negative 4 squared. So if you do that out, you're going to get root 48 plus 16, which is root 64, which is 8. So my r is 8. I have to figure out my theta. So theta is tan inverse of my b over a. So negative 4 over 4 root 3, which really means, to put it in a better form, negative root 3 over 3. And so which quadrant am I looking at here? I have 4, okay, so I'm in quadrant 4. Okay, so I don't know why I draw that, but I need that as a visual. So I'm looking for my angle. It's going to be in the pi over 6 family, so it's 11 pi over 6. Okay, so we want just the 3/3 roots. So that means I'm doing it for k equals 0, k equals 1, and k equals 2. All right, so my r is 8. So just to show this out, it's a 3rd root this time, so I'm taking the 3rd root of 8, just to really emphasize that. Cosine of my theta, like we just established, is 11 pi over 6 plus 2 pi times 0, because k is 0, divided by 3, because that's your n, plus I sine of the same thing, 11 pi over 6 plus 2 pi times 0, all divided by 3. Okay, so I know that this is 2. Now, this is going to end up with, what, 11 pi over 18, which we don't know what that is without our calculator. Same deal over here. So this is an instance where you will use your calculator to get a decimal approximation. And when you do that, you're going to tell me it's approximately equal to negative 0.6840 plus 1.8794i. And that's your first root. It's imaginary. And so we ask that you go out 4 decimal places, please, for these. Second one, again, I know that this is now 2, and just for sake of helping us here with writing, I'm going to write cis, really just me, because are you writing this down? 11 pi over 6 plus 2 pi times 1, because k is 1, divided by 3. Again, this is going to be a situation where you need to use your calculator. So you'll get negative 1.2856 minus 1.5321i. So you have, that's your second root. My last one happens at k equals 2. So again, I have 2 cis, this time 11 pi, well, still 11 pi over 6, but it's 2 pi times 2 divided by 3, because k is 2. So again, you will have to use your calculator. You will get 1.9696 minus 0.3473i. That is your last one. Thanks for sticking with me through this.